In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're trying to switch scheduling platforms or just taking a break from scheduling, the step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of canceling your Acuity Scheduling subscription with ease. So, let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to acuityscheduling.com. This is the official website for Acuity Scheduling, where you manage all of your account settings. Once the homepage loads, look towards the upper corner of the screen. You'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. With the login page open, enter your credentials, such as your email or username and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's typically an option to reset it, so don't worry, just follow those prompts if needed. Once you've entered your details, hit the login button to access your account. After logging in, you're greeted by your account dashboard. From here, locate the Manage Users option. This is usually found within your account settings or user panel. Give it a click to proceed to the next step. Once you've navigated there, turn your attention to the menu tabs and find the one labeled Billing. This tab is crucial as it houses all the subscription information. Select it to move forward. Next, you need to select the subscription section. This area will display the specifics of your current plan, and it's here that you can make changes or updates. Scrolling down, you should notice an option that says Cancel Subscription. Before moving forward, a little tip for you. Consider double checking any upcoming appointments you've scheduled, as canceling your subscription might affect these. Once you're confident about canceling, click on the Cancel Subscription button. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for canceling. While this step is optional, providing feedback can be helpful for the service provider to enhance their offerings. So if you wish, go ahead and select a reason from the available options. Finally, to confirm your cancellation, click on Yes, Cancel. And with that, you will have successfully canceled your subscription with Acuity Scheduling. You should receive a confirmation email shortly verifying that your request has been processed. It's always a good idea to keep this email for your records. And there you have it, a complete guide to canceling your Acuity Scheduling subscription. I hope you found this tutorial